G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic property, 7 Whitby Street in the popular beachside suburb of Urangan. Homes in this location rarely become available. Let's go and take a look around. This charming home is positioned on a low maintenance 602 square metre allotment, easy walking distance to the Esplanade, beach and iconic Urangan pier, along with the Bayswater Hotel and a selection of cafés and restaurants to choose from. Charming in its design, this tastefully refurbished and well-maintained home features high-raked ceilings with exposed rafters across that main dining and living area. There is more than meets the eye with this home, with a fusion of classic lines and modern finishes that create something unique, with an intuitive and creative floor plan that allows light and air to flow throughout this home naturally. The kitchen has been tastefully refurbished and includes ample bench and storage space, plus a pantry. Appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood and an oven. There is also provision to add a dishwasher and plumbing for refrigerators with water filters and ice makers. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across that main kitchen, dining and living area, as well as both bedrooms and the utility room. The expansive covered north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bays' year-round subtropical temperate climate, the ideal space for daily living and relaxing. This home does include 2 spacious bedrooms, both with ceiling fans, split system air conditioning and built-in wardrobes. There are also television connections in both of these rooms as well. The bathroom features floor-to-ceiling tiles and includes a shower and vanity, and you've got a separate toilet. There is also a separate home office with ceiling fan and built-in wardrobe that could easily make up a 3rd bedroom when required. What would have been a single garage has been professionally converted into a fantastic utility room and is currently being used as a bedroom, and includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, and there is a shower and toilet to the rear, plus a wet bar. This will be ideal for those unexpected friends and family members who are sure to arrive once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline, and there is a separate toilet that can also be accessed from the outdoor area. Vehicle accommodation is catered for with a 6x6 double bay shed with power connected. There is also clear side access via sliding gates and plenty of space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats. The energy conscious will appreciate the 5 kilowatt solar power system as well. Homes in this location, as I've mentioned, rarely become available, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.